Is it true that if one had an ocean large enough, Saturn would float?
Is that the average density of Saturn is less than the density of water. Anything whose density is less than water will float. So the problem is, if you had a lake bigger than Saturn, to put Saturn in, the whole lake would collapse into Saturn.
Well, wouldn't the water just spill over onto the shore when you displace the water?
No, you're thinking that they exist independently of each other. Saturn will pull the bathtub into it, and it'll become part of Saturn.
Oh, it's the suction power.
So the problem is, you can't have a body of water bigger than Saturn that's flat. You're going to put Saturn in. Because the body of water would become a sphere, and they collapse, they fall into each other, right? They each have mutual gravity that they'll attract each other. So it's not a doable experiment. But it does get the point across.
Yes.
That Saturn is lighter than water. So it is in fact true. It is the only planet for which that is true. Every other planet will sink. So you know how big it is. So what is density? And we know the mass of something. We can measure it from its gravity and other things. You divide those two numbers, you get a number that's less than